Hey guys, welcome back on our channel. I bring something special to you today. You know what that is? That is infinitive. Infinitive is easy. Let me show you. Okay guys, simple definition. To plus verb is infinitive. Example, to study, to go, to eat. Examples, I want to sleep. She needs to study. Important usage. After some verbs, use to plus verb. More examples. They plan to travel. We decided to leave. Now you try. Make a sentence and send it in the comment. If this is helpful for you, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.